हेलो बोलो.
Hello.
नहीं. 2 viewers. इधर आ गए.
Hi.
8. एंगल ठीक रखो, कितनी गंदी लग रही है.
अब क्या करूं?
बोलो ask questions, no?
Ask questions, please. Okay. Hi. Hello. Hi.
Naam bhi
Naman. Hi. Saira. Hi. Fardeen. Hi.
Say questions.
I'm fine. I'm fine, Saira. Thank you. Hello, Neha. Please stop asking me hi. Hi. Good morning from United States. Thank you, Razin. Hi, Zarur. Hi.
Don't make a better face.
Hi. Could you just stop asking me hi, please?
Ask me questions.
Ask me questions. I'm fine, Arman. Thank you for asking. Neha, thank you for calling me beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm fine, Nikhil. I'm fine. That's why I'm doing the video chat.
बोलो how are you all?
How are you all?
इसमें तुम अपनी असली आईडी भी बता सकते हो इंस्टाग्राम. हाँ. Please do that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm fine. Please ask me questions, and yes, I would say that my real ID on Instagram is ROSHNIWALIAA in the end. I don't know. I don't know why I'm so cute. Thanks for asking.
Your twin sister, you both look so alike. She's
Yes.
the elder sister.
Yes, Geeka sir. Actually, we're not twin sisters. She's just 8 years elder to me. We look same, so you can say. Yeah, thank you. I'm fine. Thank you, Amrutha.
तेरा पढ़ना बंद करो.
I can't understand. It's too fast. My age.
What's her age?
My age 14, Pradeep.
Thanks.
Thank you for liking my pics.
How is your mother going?
I don't know. Actually, the serial took a leap, so I don't know how is it going right now. Thank you.
Kavita, hi. Say hi to Kavita. Do you miss playing in the...
Yes, I actually miss it a lot.
Your dress next.
Let's see. Right now, I'm shooting in Kerala for a film.
नाम
Thank
भी लो ना,
you.
नाम भी लो जिनको respond.
Even I miss you, Hitashi.
कहने का है.
Let's see. I think it's after 4 or 3 years. Let's see.
बोलो ना क्या let's see. In Bollywood. that is.
Yeah, in Bollywood after 4
No,
3.
whenever somebody asks your question, just tell their name and then answer.
It's going very fast. It's going very fast. Even I love you, Suparna. Thank you,
Come to Big
Shiva.
Boss.
Even I want to come to Big Boss. Actually, I love this season. मुझे और कोई season इतना पसंद नहीं है, but actually I love this season.
Are you married?
I'm not married. Thank you. Bye, Anwar. Thank you.
You ask me some questions. Do you thinking of doing a movie?
Yeah, after 3 years, I'm actually gonna do my
Mr.
debut.
Yadav.
Mr. Yadav.
How was your day going?
I'm with my sister right now, Dia. My day is going fine.
Be live, wanna talk to you, cutie.
I'm talking to you, Tanya. I am 14. I'm in 8th.
Please come in Khatro ke Khiladi.
I can't come in Khatro ke Khiladi right now. I'm underage, but yes, after I'll be 18 or something, I'll be doing film. So let's see what I'll be doing then. Yes, I would. Actually, I want to. So it's gone. I'm doing a National Awards film right now, so let's see. I can't disclose the name right now. The Ganesh film, even I don't know when it's gonna release. Thank you. Yes, even I'm waiting for my next serial.
Please don't go.
I won't go. I won't go. Thank you. How can I talk to you? Ruber, you're actually talking to me right now. Okay, I won't shake my camera. My favorite color, Pooja, it's neon, I think so. I like neon a lot. My Twitter ID is Roshni Walia 2001. Yes.
Can you say my name?
Hi Zahor.
Khan.
How are you, Mr. Khan? Thank you, Niranjan. I'm actually from Allahabad, Khurshid. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you so much.
Carolyn.
Okay. Carol. I actually give my exams and
बहुत check करो, बहुत check.
Sorry?
Don't check the camera.
I'm actually giving my exams and when I'm shooting, my tuition teacher comes. It's like that. I can't read like this movie. I don't know how to do. Sorry. Do you? Yes, I get to study.
This you should do with the selfie stick.
I need a selfie stick in this. Hi, Anish.
I can't believe that I'm gonna talk.
Even I can't believe. Thank you, Manish. Thank you so much.
आँखें तो खोलो, तुम्हारी पूरी आँखें आ रही हैं। नहीं, इतनी दूर से आवाज़ नहीं।
What are you? Right now, my sister's there with me, Noor. My idol, actually, I don't know anyone as my idol, but if I like someone, then I prefer Salman Khan. I love Salman Khan. Snapchat ID cute Roshni. I'm addicted to Snapchat right now.
बोलो please follow me on Instagram, my real life.
Even I have a selfie stick. My best friend gifted it to me. I don't know where is it right now. I actually shifted 4 months ago, but I don't know. I lost it, I think. Sorry, Rian. Yes, and they're on Instagram.
You're coming like this.
Thank you. Love you.
If I meet you, would you go out to good meal at a restaurant?
Sure. Where are you taking me? I don't use Skype. I don't use Skype. My favorite singer? My Justin Bieber. I love him. I love him a lot. Hi, love you too. Taruna. Mitali, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Thanks, Zahir, for calling me sweet. My dimple. I wasn't there in Ashoka. I can't sing his song. No. No. Yes, I use Snapchat Ahmed. My ID is cute Roshni. Thank you, Saurabh. My favorite child actor. Right now I would say Siddharth because actually recently I can only see him on air like in Ashoka. So I really like his acting. Hi Preeti. No, I won't sing a song. Abhishek. I'm so sorry. Please don't force me. My dog. Come meet him. Say hi, Chutta baby. Say hi. He's my dog. Chill, Kaushal, no one. Hi Kaushal, how are you? You there on Insta? I love your gifts in that book, especially. Let's see my next show. I don't know right now. Something will be coming soon. Rian, Saloni, Bhavesh, they're my best friends. No, Lian, I don't have a relationship with Faisal. He's my nice friend. You want me to show you my new house? Oh, I'll show it to you soon. अभी बहुत फैला हुआ है. My favorite song is Love Yourself of Justin Bieber and Good For You, Selena Gomez. Sorry from Justin Bieber. Where are you now, Justin Bieber? What do you mean, Justin Bieber? I love Justin Bieber. अभी मेरा रूम बहुत फैला हुआ है. Thank you. Yeah, it's cute, Roshni. No, please, Vatsal, don't do that, please. My name's Roshni. So come, you want to see my room? I'll show you my room. So here we go, and we're gonna say hi, cutie. Say hi. Oh, she's irritated right now. So here's my room. अभी बहुत फैला हुआ है. So ये सबने मुझे गिफ्ट्स दिए हैं. I'm not in Delhi right now. I'm not in Delhi. Yes, sure. If you tell me the story. I'm from Allahabad. That's so sweet. I love dogs. Mitali, my favorite song right now is Love Yourself. Yes, love with my dog Archie. I love your DP Archie. No, Saurabh, I'm not from Delhi. I'm from Allahabad. I'll be coming to Delhi soon, Tarun. Right now, I live in Mumbai from last 5 years. No, I have 3 pets. Actually, they're like my kids, so I would say I have 2 sons and 1 daughter. Risha! I like you हनी सिंह. Actually जो सिंगर हैं सारों को पसंद करती हूँ मैं because सब बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. I like everyone. Thanks Lakshay. Thank you so much. Thanks. Thank you. Uttar Pradesh, yes. I am from Allahabad. Thank you. What should I say? Hi and hi Samir, how are you? Just sick and tired answering that. No, I'm using Wi-Fi right now. Yes, I have idea. So IIN. Thank you. No, I want to go to Dubai, Jason. Thank you. She's talking to someone right now on phone. Yes, I can speak in Hindi. Favorite actor? Salman Khan. I don't know why I love him, but I love him a lot. I think he's a darling. I'm screaming now. Yes, this is live, Ria. Thank you, Zafir. Abhishek, what should I reply? Hi, how are you, and all that stuff? Yes, I have an iPhone right now, iPhone 6. I actually want to buy 6s, but I think it's the same. My favorite actress, my aunt. I actually prefer myself. Favorite game, Dinner Dash. I love Dinner Dash. Even I like Uno. It's a nail extension. So you can recognize it's a nail extension. Working with Faisal was nice. We used to enjoy a lot. The whole children group, we used to enjoy a lot. Happy birthday, Rashi. Thank you, Kaushal. Thank you so much. Tarang, I took your name now. Asiya, I won't tell you that. Actually, I won't explain you why I'm fat. It doesn't matter. I think it doesn't matter. But if you think that, then you're in the wrong way, because anyone can be fat and anyone can be thin. So there's nothing like that. I like the fight song. I like it. Mine's 14, Saurabh. Yes, Ash, you're right. It's true. Akshita, my favorite app. Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, all that apps. Oh my god. क्या आप नमक यूज करते हैं? Anas, happy birthday. May God bless you. Nikhil, my crush. You don't have any crush. I like both. I like English and I like Hindi. So I like both. I love Maroon 5, especially song Animals and Sugar. I love that song. I love that song. Alex is gonna come to Mumbai so on 11 December. You only told me, Noor Walia. Yeah, Shaya, you're just so true. My favorite movie right now is Tamasha. I like that song. Are you happy now, Pallavi? How can I do dance? I'm holding the phone right now. My favorite color is neon. Thank you, Anas. His name is Chota Baby, and the white one's name's Cutie, and there's another उसका नाम है Lavender. My favorite food, I love chicken. I'm a hardcore non-vegetarian. My opinion about friendship is that you're supposed to be true. You're supposed to be loving, like me and Rian. We are with each other from last 5 years. No, actually 4 years. And with Saloni, I'm with 2 years, and with even Bhavesh. So actually, you're supposed to see, true love will come in friendship, I think so. Kritika! I will come to Guwahati soon. माझा नाम रोशनी है. I know how to speak in Marathi a little bit. First song which I liked romance, Stitches. I love that song. Thing I like most about myself is that I like myself and I love myself and I'm proud to be myself and I'm not inspired by anyone, or I don't run behind people. I think so that's the best thing I would say for myself. I want to watch. See, I expected something else from Dilwale, and I thought it's going to be like Dilwale दुल्हनिया ले जाएगी, and बाजीराव मस्तानी पे लोगों ने मेरे ही इतने एडिट बना चुके हैं कि मैं देखना चाहती हूँ फिर. Akshita, I prefer being a business woman then. I like being business. I don't know why. No, I didn't watch that film, Jason. I'll come soon. I'm in 8th right now. See, after some series, I'm gonna take a leap, and after that, like, not a leap, what am I saying? After a period of time, I'll be taking a gap, and for 2-3 years, and then I'll be doing my debut. No, they आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहा? Even I miss Ajit a lot. What? No one's useless. Your brother must be doing something on. He must be thinking something, imagining something. It's like that. You can't say that your brother's useless. Here it's. Thank you, Harish. Everyone's important in my life. Hemant, everyone's important in my life. So bye guys, I'm very thirsty now answering questions. Talk to you later. Bye bye.